Morning come, I know the snooze, I dey feel the breeze. New day, new grace, I dey need, I dey pray for you.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Unice and you can find them on Amazon. I will leave all of the details and links located in the info section below. So I decided to pick up one of their wigs from their newly upgraded wig series, and this one is the Bye Bye Slip Afro Kinky Curly with finger coil ends human hair lace wig. Y'all, this is what it looks like. You guys do notice those little finger coils towards the very front and the ends of the wig. You do have the 7 by 5 inch lace. This is what it looks like. The hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are bleached. You do have the pre-cut lace. This again is what it looks like. Now this cap is new and upgraded, making this wig very beginner friendly. Now within this cap they did add the anti-slip markings all throughout the unit, and I noticed that they actually got rid of a lot of the combs other than the one in the very back. So this unit is very much anti-slip, and they also got rid of the elastic band and replaced it with an elastic adjustable strap. So therefore you're able to adjust the wig per your liking, and it's not like that big bulky elastic band within the unit. So the wig lays incredibly flat and it looks very much natural. Now I'm just going to prep my wig per usual. I just added a little bit of water, foaming wrap mousse. I'm just going to brush that down, apply my edge band, and let that set in place. Y'all, at the time when I'm filming this video, I didn't know what I was going to do with those little finger coils, so I just decided to leave them alone right now. But I did notice that the wig had a little bit of frizz in certain areas, a little bit of dents from it being folded up in the wig box. So I'm just applying a little bit of water, some more foamy wrap mousse, and I'm just redefining those small little areas that develop some frizz. So this was a little later. The hairline is set in place. I'm now gonna just tint my lace by using a little bit of my foundation, apply that all over to where I get a nice blendable coverage. Now I am adjusting that little adjustable strap within the wig so I can get a nice custom fit. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. Now this unit does come with a drawstring, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust that. Be sure that you tuck that drawstring in because you don't want it just hanging there like it's like a jacket or something. So I went ahead and I adjusted the drawstring. I have a nice comfortable fit, and now I'm going to take care of these little finger coils. Y'all, I had a variation of a wig like this before, but I did notice that the finger coils were more towards the ends. These ones go way up the shaft, so I had to kind of come up with a plan on how I was going to go ahead and style them. So I just applied a little bit of water and some foamy wrap mousse, and I am just separating those finger coils very gently, so therefore I don't develop any frizz. I'm kind of treating it like my natural hair, because whenever I finger coil my ends, or if I'm doing like a roller set on my natural hair, I just kind of separate the curls gently, piece by piece, so that it comes together, and that was the plan. Also wanted some baby hair, so I went ahead and I pulled a little bit out. I'm just going to go ahead and slick that down using a little gel. Now this is this side. Now that I have separated those finger coils, you guys do notice that the other side still has them. You can keep those in there if you choose to. However, I kind of want to go with this look, so off camera I decided to do the same thing that I did on the other side, and I separated those curls. I'm now going to just diffuse the hair, and once the hair was dry, I'm going to take my white tooth comb and pick out those curls a little bit just so we can get a little bit of volume. And this is what this wig is looking like, y'all. I like it. Like, usually I don't like to go for anything that's too short, but I was kind of like, you know what, it's getting hot outside. I think I'm going to go with something a little shorter. 16 inch was like a safe zone for me, so I decided to kind of give it a try, and I absolutely love it. Now this is kind of given like a wash and go. Like, I love how thick and full this unit is. It's like it literally reminds me of healthy, thick, natural hair. And usually, like, whenever I get like kinky curly hair, the way that it lays is kind of flat. I don't know if that makes any sense, but see, this wig is just fluffy, like an afro per se, and I just love it. So again, you can pick up this unit on Amazon. It does come from Unice. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have the Afro Kinky Curly with finger coil ends 16-inch lace wig, and again, this is what it looks like. You guys do notice those curls are still there. I kind of get like a spiral curl effect that brings so much volume to the unit, making it so thick and so fluffy. It is just absolutely gorgeous. But again, you guys do check out Unice. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.